happens after you contact us? If you're thinking about hiring a property manager, you might be wondering what happens after I reach out. The process is actually pretty simple. First, we'll schedule a discovery call to learn more about you, your property, and your goals as a rental property owner. It's also a chance for you to ask us any questions that you can to help determine if we are the right fit for you. Depending on your property and where you are in the process, the next step may be an on-site visit where we will send our salesperson out to your property, and while we walk that property with you, we discuss its condition and evaluate any recommendations that we could implement to help maximize your rental value. At that point, we can also answer any additional questions that you may have. Once you're ready to move forward with Uplift, we'll review that property management agreement and we'll send that over to you so that you know exactly what you'll be signing. We believe in being transparent so you understand exactly what's included, how we operate, and what our partnership looks like before anything is signed. After the agreement is complete, we begin the onboarding process. We'll gather all the necessary information, transfer any existing records, and get your property set up in our management system so everything is ready to go. If the property is vacant, our team will focus immediately on getting that property ready to go, ready to rent, and rent it out. We'll coordinate professional marketing, list the property on all the major rental platforms, schedule showings, screen applicants thoroughly, and work to place a qualified tenant as quickly as we can without compromising on quality. If you already have a tenant in place, we'll make that transition seamlessly by introducing ourselves, taking over rent collection, and handling communication. At that point, we'll be managing the property on your behalf. From your first phone call to placing a great tenant and beyond, our goal is to make property ownership as simple and stress-free as possible while protecting your investment every step of the way. If you're ready to learn more, we'd love to talk. Reach out today and let's discuss how we can help you achieve your rental property goals.